We are not just slow down aging, we are watching it happen biochemically while treating only the surface. What is really accelerate aging? Not time, not luck, but AGEs, advanced glycation and products. They build up in your body silently. We have built the first formula that does not just talk about AGEs, it reaches the cells, reduces them, and helps restore function. This isn't theory. We have already tested laboratory models with results. This is not just a white paper or wellness trend. We have the science, the formulation, the data. Now we are preparing for ISO level validation, safety testing, and launch. The longevity sector is about to explode, but most of it treats symptoms. We are only of the few targeting the root biochemistry of aging. This is the first move opportunity. The product is ready, the market is hungry. We are opening the door for visionary partners. If you are serious about health span and you invest where biology meets impact, let us talk. Here's my link below.